Kubernetes dashboard is now dead. It has officially been deprecated and is now listed as unmaintained. So you need something else, and this gives me the opportunity to introduce Headlamp. Headlamp is a CNCF project maintained primarily by Microsoft, and it is fantastic. I've been meaning to do some content about it for a while. So let's dive in and see what it can do. Now, I've installed it on my machine, and as you can see, it's picked up my local Kubernetes cluster running in kind. I can see a high-level overview of the cluster with some metrics. Drilling in, I can see my namespaces, my nodes, all the usual stuff. But then Headlamp even builds out a nice map of the entities in the cluster and how they relate to each other. For example, deployments inside namespaces and how replica sets are then related to deployments and pods and so on. Now, this is great for visualizing the sometimes complex interconnections of entities in Kubernetes, and it's also great for the less technical or the beginner, because we can actually visually see what's going on in the cluster. I can create new resources using YAML right from within the UI. I can see detailed information like pod metrics. I can live tail the pod logs themselves. I can attach to and debug a pod. And of course, some of this is fairly standard, but what stands out is the ease of use. It just works, and things are exactly where you'd expect them to be. Plus, it really is a treat working within a nice UI. Where things get really interesting is in the extensibility. Headlamp comes with built-in applications. They're pre-written bundles of software that can be, configured and installed in just a few clicks. And I've left the best part to last. If you need new functionality, Headlamp has a plugin catalog, so you can write your own plugins and make Headlamp look and act exactly the way you want it to. So yes, while the Kubernetes dashboard is now unmaintained and dead, in my opinion, we've got something even better available. So go check out Headlamp at headlamp.dev, and if you found this video valuable, I really would appreciate a thumbs up and a little click of the subscribe button. And thank you if you do that. Have a great day, and I'll see you again very soon.